Okay, fam, we headed into Walgreens to do some of these deals. I'm not going to do too many deals, but I'm going to do some of them. Happy Mother's Day to all my great, great, great mothers. See you inside. Okay, fam, I just left out of Walgreens. I didn't film because they didn't have any sale tags up. None. None. When I was scanning the product on my app, it was coming up regular price. It wasn't even coming up to sales price. So I did make my purchase that I needed to make, but it's some hiccups. It's some hiccups. I did get my register rewards, but it's some hiccups. So when I get to the house, I'm gonna break everything down. See you when I get home. Okay, fam, I done made it home. This is my small but mighty haul of what I got at Walgreens today. Of course, like I said, they didn't have any other sales uh price tags up. Then when I asked the manager was which one of the Colgate toothbrushes that was on sale, you know what she told me? She didn't know.
What the hell?
What? You didn't know? Why y'all ain't got no sale tags up? See, this is one of the reasons why I try not to shop on Sundays. Because sometimes it playing out good and sometimes it don't. But anytime you ask a manager what is on sale and they can't tell you, that's a problem. That is a serious problem. So let's get into the first transaction. Okay, this was my first transaction. Remember, I did not start with any register rewards at all. So I took a chance on these toothbrushes because the regular price is $5.99. So I just grabbed two and hope they run up on sale. That's all I can do. So this was my first transaction. I had a 4 off 2 digital that came off. This was $4.50. This was $4.50, which was $9. I paid $5 out of pocket, but I got back my $4 in registry reward, which y'all know I like to roll my registry rewards onto the next transaction. But of course, the registry reward wasn't scanned. Then the lady up there at the register didn't know how to put it in to take it off of my next transaction. So I just paid the $5 and kept the registry reward. And I'll go back later on this week when I know the manager, when she be there. She usually don't work on weekends. So she'll get it straight. She'll get it straight. So I kept my registry reward, which means these two right here cost 50 cents a piece. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Two at $4.50 each, which was $9. My 4 off 2 digital came off. I paid $5 out of pocket. I got back my 4 in register rewards, which means these is 50 cents a piece. Now let's look at my next transaction. Okay, this is my next transaction that I did on the Garnier blends. They on sale for 2 for $8. If you go in the store, they don't have the sales tags up. They on sale for 2 for $8. I had a 3 off 2 digital that came off. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see they rung up 2 for $8. My 3 off 2 digital came off. I paid $5 out of pocket, but I got back my 4 in register rewards. Now, if my register rewards would have scanned, I would have rolled this register reward onto here to lower my out of pocket, which meant I would have been paying $1 out of pocket for that and still getting back the 4 in register reward. And these would have been free. But that's neither here nor there. So they still came out to be 50 cents a piece. So that's a great deal. Now let's look at my next and final transaction. Okay, this is my last transaction that I did. I bought the 3 dial and I had a 2 off 2 digital that came off, and when you buy 3 you get a $5 registry reward, which it would have been a lot cheaper out of pocket if my registry rewards would have scanned. I could have been rolling them registry rewards. Y'all remember, fam, I always tell you, roll those registry rewards to lower your out of pocket. But of course mine didn't scan. So I had a 2 off 2 digital that came off. I paid $12 out of pocket, but I got back my $5 in registry reward, which means these right here cost 3 for $7 is what it is. So let's look at my receipt. All right, here's my receipt. You see the 2 off 2 digital came off. I paid $12 out of pocket. I got back my $5 in registry reward, which means these right here cost $7. So how much that is? Well, I'm gonna just say 3 for 7. My brain can't work right now. I ain't too good on no math. But these were 3 for $7, which it still ain't bad for 3 bottles of Dial body wash. So let's total everything up and see how much I actually save. So with everything that I got here, with my registry rewards that I got back, all of this cost $9. $9, fam. It's still a great deal. It would have been a whole lot cheaper because this right here would have been free. This, instead of it costing 12 out of pocket, I would have spent 8 out of pocket and got back that 5. So these would have been $3. That would have been $1 a piece, but I still got my $5 in registry reward, $4 in registry reward, $4 in registry reward. So this is a $9 haul. You can't beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And fam, always, 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 if you're able to, roll your register rewards. Try to get the cheapest thing out of pocket, which for me was the Colgate, because I had that 4 off 2 digital. So I knew I was going to have to pay $5 out of pocket. But I was going to get back this $4 in registry reward, which meant these was 50 cents a piece. So I can roll that onto my next transaction. Even though I had digitals for this Garnier blend, if that register reward would have scanned, I will only have to come out my pocket $1 and still would have got back this register reward, which meant that would have been free plus a money maker. Y'all see what I'm saying? If you want me to do a video on a breakdown of how I roll my register rewards, comment down below and I'll do a video on it. Happy Mother's Day. Y'all have a blessed day, fam. Until the next video, bye-bye.